And good evening to one and all. Right, so I'm about to make paninis, which I did actually buy these yesterday, but they're fine. They're fresh ones. They're going to be fine. It's only going to be cheese and ham. I'm going to be putting lettuce in mine, which is weird, I know, but I like it. And I'm going to be putting horseradish in Dan's, which is weird, but he likes it. And maybe a spread of mayonnaise for the fact that we both don't really use butter anymore. Anyway, we're going to be using this, our sandwich maker. We've hardly used this, but it's actually quite a good little machine. At this present time, I am only actually preparing these. You are going to have to ignore the noise in the background because I have two fans going on the go. There we go. Too hot. It's too hot today. Oh yeah, and also excuse the way I'm talking because I have massive what's that tooth called? Oh, wisdom teeth problem at the minute. Right, so let's prepare these. I'll do Dan's first. Now I think the real reason why we chose panini is because if we'd gone down on the holiday park restaurant, that was really the only thing they were offering for the lunchtime menu. So we got it in our head that we would have wanted a panini, but we never went for one because Dan wasn't well enough to. Right, so let's spread a little bit of this, just a little bit, like a little bit of butter, you know. Spread that about. Yeah, if anyone knows Dan, he will not have milk or butter. Anyway, so we've got this carvery honey roast ham, thinly sliced. Let's get into this. Oh, I think I'm going to layer it with cheese first, actually. I'm interested to how it's going to come out in a... If you can see, it's actually just a proper toasty machine. It's not grilled, you know, like a grill pan. It's not really for a panini. So I'm interested to how this is going to turn out. But I'm sure it'll be good. Can you see what's going on? Let me lower you. There we go. Right, so lower Dan's. There we go. That might actually be too much cheese. There we go. Yeah, it's probably too much cheese. Let's get a bit of ham in there. So this is our tonight's tea. It's too hot. Don't want much else. I'm going to put horseradish on. Dan do like this. Quite fancy that myself actually now. Is that enough? No, I'll put a little bit more on. Right, so that's one ready. Let me do this one quick. So this is just sliced cheese, Lake District. Here we go. Split this up. A little bit more ham. Now, if I had to be honest, the Lake District, although we haven't done it properly, I know we haven't done it properly, it just doesn't appeal to me. Doesn't appeal to me at all. And after this experience in Cornwall, I'm really put off with Cornwall as well, but never mind, hey ho. Right, so there we go. There's Dan's two paninis. Now he ain't gonna want the green stuff, is he? He don't want the green stuff. Let me turn this fan off. And this one actually. Right, so we are going to place these in. I wonder if this is going to cook. So although I'm preparing it, I can cook it and then wrap it in foil and reheat it in a bit. Let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. Let's close this bad boy. Okay, that's quite tight. That's quite a tight fit. Let's move that back. How do I even turn it on? Oh, it is on. Okay, that's already cooking. Click, click. Oh, I've only got one hand. I got it to click. So the way to turn it on is literally just plugging it in. There's no on off button. It's only cheap from like Asda, Sainsbury's, wherever we got it from. Let's prepare mine. Let's get the knife. So I'm going to have quite similar to Dan, but I definitely want green stuff, and there ain't much ham left, so, but I'm not bothered about meat. I'm not bothered. Let's cut these open. So these are just ciabattas. Bought these yesterday, fresh, but they're fine. They're absolutely fine today. Again, I'm gonna do like the mayonnaise instead of the butter. Oh yeah, I can smell that now. Oh, that's smelling well good. Yep, that's smelling well good. Just give that a little spread. Right, okay, I think I'm going to be having little tomatoes in mine. I like cheese and tomato. Just go with that. That'll do. Should I? Yeah, I'll put a little bit on top as well. Just a little bit. Oh, I've only got 2 slices left. I may as well use them, mightn't I? I'll just use them. There we go. Right, so... Oh, that's smoking a little bit. No, why is that smoking? Should I check on it? See the smoke? Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Okay. It's looking good. It's looking good. Organic tomatoes on the vine for me. So I'm going to slip a few of those in. Let me just move you back. I'm going to slip a couple of those in. I love cheese and tomato. Really brings back memories. Being a young one. Oh wow, that's smelling so good. It's probably getting cooked actually. Right, let's put some in that one. Right, let's just check on this because it is smoke. Oh wow, okay. Right, it looks like it's done, doesn't it? So I'm gonna have to put that in. Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck. Here we go, here we go. Brilliant. Just flip it over so you can see. Ah, that's hot. There you go. Cheese and ham panini for Dan. That's one done. So I am actually just going to foil that up and reheat that when he's ready for it. Let's get this other one cooked. There we go. Let's close that lid. Let's close that lid. Do I need 2 hands again? There we go. I do think I'm going to go for a little bit of horseradish. Just to spice it up a little bit. Not as much as I gave Dan. I'm just not sure whether I want the ham or not. It's probably just going to go to waste if I don't use it, isn't it? Let's just use it. Yep, let's just use it. So, ham, cheese and tomato. There we go. But not forgetting, I'm adding the green stuff. Absolutely. I want some lettuce in that as well. That'll be nice. Do you know what? They don't even need toasting, do they? That's going to be nice on its own. Okay, just been in the fridge. I think I've just noticed. Look at the state of those. The mushrooms. We only actually bought those yesterday. Yesterday. Oh, they're manky. No, they've got to go in the bin. They're no good for nothing. I was actually keeping those to do a sausage casserole for Dan tomorrow. Because he had bolognese last night. That's ridiculous. I bought them yesterday. Let's check on this. It's smoking. Okay, I think I might have caught it just in time. Oh, oh. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. Okay. I think I might have just caught it in time before it goes a little excessive. Just enough so I can reheat it later. Ah, it's too hot to touch. Okay, yeah, it's done. Well, that's not good, is it? Cooking these with a white t-shirt. Let's get mine on the go. Just a pre-cook. Can warm them through later. I don't know if I'm going to be able to shut that one. They're quite thick, mine. Yeah, there we go, there we go. Shut. There we go. Yeah, I'm smelling like that's cooked. Oh my God, yeah. Okay. Considering I have to reheat these, I think they're done. Just get it out. This is absolutely much better than, what was that? Was it the griller pan we had before? Absolutely hated it. Right, let me just try and get this out. No, it's not going to work. It's not. Put you down. Just bent my finger, but hey ho. Right, it's in the foil. Let's get the next one on. This is working really well. Let's close that one. Close, close, close. There we go. It's smelling like it's done. Let's have a look. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let's unplug that. It's the only way to turn this on and off if I unplugged it. I'll tell you what though, to clean this, it's actually so easy. Right, let's get this out. Again, I'm probably going to have to put you down. And there we go, that's our tea tonight. Paninis, 2 paninis each. I'm going to reheat those a little bit later. Okay, I've made a little bit of a mess. There's Dan's. It's going to be served up with maybe some salty crisps or something. That is going to be so easy to wash anyway. No problem. Oh yeah, and I've had this plugged in all day as well. Let's get that back in. Let's get that back in. Oops. Because that smells. And looks lovely when it's on. I've actually just realised, I don't know actually where these mushrooms have come from, but they're not the ones that I bought yesterday. Let's get rid of those. They're the ones I bought yesterday. Okay, so they're still going to be good enough for a meal tomorrow. While I'm taking you all in my fridge, I'll just show you quickly. So we've got some Cornish pasties to pick it later on. To get a little bit peckish. I actually had to have one of those last night. And we've got all these yogurts down there, which none of us have actually touched yet. And I still actually got leftover gammon. I cooked a gammon joint the other day as well. That was beautiful. And a silly mistake I made yesterday. I was cooking Dan's spag bowl on here, on this, I forget what this hob's called. But anyway, on the hob, and it is splattered all over my blind. Can somebody please let me know how I'm going to get that off? Bear in mind it's only kind of like cardboard material. Please let me know how to get that off. And that's tea for tonight. How wonderful does that look? There you go. Cheap, cheerful and delicious.